Hi, my name is Julia Katowitz, and I'm joined by three of my friends. Will you guys introduce yourselves?
Hi, I'm Aiden.
Hi, I'm Celeste.
Hi, I'm Lucas.
Thanks, guys. So today what we're going to be working on is a little bit of writing. We're going to learn how to write a thesis. So I've come up with a little helpful acronym that are a few ideas that I like to keep in mind whenever I start writing. So the W is for words, because of course you need words to write. R for research, I for ideas, because writing should always express your ideas. Um, Next, we have T, you need a little time to write, and E, you need energy. So those are a few ideas to keep in mind. So words, research, ideas, time, energy. So we can keep those in mind as we go. Okay, awesome. All right, so now we're going to talk about how to make a thesis. I have a few ideas for potential topics. Does anyone have an idea for something that we could potentially talk about? Or we can do one of my ideas, but I just wanted to open it up to the group.
How about we talk about your favorite food?
Sure, okay. Does anyone have a favorite food we could talk about? Celeste, yes.
Soup.
Soup. Okay, awesome. So I think a good start to the thesis would be soup is the most delicious food because, and then before we finish the rest of our thesis, it's always helpful to have an idea of what the next part of our essay would be. So that would basically be our body paragraphs. So for those of you who have written an essay before, what is the purpose of a body paragraph? If you're comfortable sharing.
Well, the body paragraphs are the main ideas of your essay. How many claims you would like to make is how many body paragraphs you should have.
Yes, exactly. So the body paragraphs is the meat of the essay. If an essay was a burger, which was the analogy that was used when I was in middle school, the buns would be the introduction and the conclusion, and then in the middle you have your hamburger patty, your lettuce, your cheese, your tomato, your ketchup. So that's sort of the meat of your essay. So the purpose of the thesis is to summarize your whole paper. So can you give me, let's say we're having three body paragraphs. What are three things that are good about soup?
Well, it's winter now where we are, so it's a really nice hot food to have when it's cold outside.
Yes, so that could be potential health benefits, its ability to warm you up. That could be our first paragraph. Maybe the next paragraph is about the flavor of the soup, how, soup is very delicious and people like the taste of it. And then maybe the last paragraph could be about that there are so many varieties of soup. So that could make our thesis look something like soup is the most delicious food because it has many health benefits. It tastes really good. And or does anyone remember the last idea or have a different idea? And it can come in many different forms, something like that.
Yeah, and it's very good during the winter.
Yeah, so it's good in the winter. It is very delicious. It's very flavorful, and it comes in many different forms. So then this thesis would be the start of the rest of your essay, where you then break down further and add more evidence to all of the points that we'd mentioned in our thesis. Does that make sense? Do you see how you could translate that to use it in a topic for literature, a topic for a history essay, or even a science paper? Does that make sense to everyone? Does anyone have any questions? No? Okay. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much.